Hey, it's Megan from Hipstitch Academy, and I have a class coming up on Tuesday to make bras. It's sort of a glorified sports bra. It has a separation in the front so you don't have the uni boob. However, it is made with jersey and elastic. I have been using these bras, making them and using them for a few months now. I thought it was a great alternative to the sports bras that I was creating and only wearing. So I feel like it's sort of a step up. Anyway, I wanted to have a class to teach you all how to make it. So here's what I'm going to do right now. This is the pre-class video to show you how to cut out the fabric. I already have a video to show you what to do once you've printed out the Waves and Wild pattern. This is the Superstar bra from Waves and Wild. I printed it out, I taped it together, I cut it together. This video is going to be cutting the fabric. I have this really fabulous synchronized swimmer, super soft jersey that I'm going to cut this bra out. I'm very excited. Thanks for watching. All right, so here's the pattern, the Waves and Wild Superstar bra. I am making size XL D cup, and they don't seem to have a fabric layout, so that's why this video will be really helpful. I'm going to do this version with the fabric band, the smaller fabric band. It's the front and the back, and there are three pattern pieces you need to cut. The band, which is a cut one on the folds, the front, which is cut two for the outside, cut two for the lining. I'm going to use the same fabric for outside and inside. And then the back, and that's a cut two on the fold. That's the side that has the checked dotted line. Those are my three pattern pieces. Now I'm going to lay out my fabric, my synchronized swimmers. I'm going to check which direction has the most stretch. On this one, it stretches four ways, so I'm going to keep the synchronized swimmers kind of facing up. So the stretch, I think the most stretch is the way I have it positioned here, going from left to right. I'm doubling my fabric. My fold is on the left side. And since I need two separate pieces for the outside of this front piece, I'm going to lay it on the side opposite the fold. My band, I do need to cut on the fold because it needs to be one continuous piece. So there it is, the dotted sides aligned with the fold. Really be careful with stretch fabric when you're cutting it out that you don't have some wacky layer of fabric underneath that shouldn't be there. And then finally, that last back piece is also cut two on the fold. So I've placed the fold line side on the fold of the fabric. I'm going to cut these three pieces out, keeping the fold intact. I'm using scissors because I'm sitting and it's just a lot easier. I have an ankle injury, so that's why I'm sitting. And it's also just easier for the video. So if you have a rotary cutter and you swear by it, go for it. Use it. You may get a slightly accurate, more cut. But I just also like to use the scissors to kind of show people this doesn't need to be perfection. It's still going to turn out okay. These little lumps and bumps along where you cut are going to be stuck in the seam allowance, and your bra is going to come out just fine. Okay? All right, so I cut two on the band of the back on the fold. I cut one of the band on the fold, and then this is my lining. So I needed two separate pieces of the front for the lining. All right, so I hope you caught all that. There it is. Can't wait to make this bra with you in class Tuesday, April 19th, 2022. I'm getting on a live class via Zoom. Ask your questions. We sew together. We make this bra and have a great time. Thanks for watching.